Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW Z4 VS M2 full comparison. Listen closely as we focus on handling, engine character, and practicality to help you choose. I will outline key trade-offs in driving feel, trunk and cabin space, maintenance expectations, and relative value. I speak plainly about what each car rewards and where it asks for compromise, so you can decide which suits weekend thrills or daily driving without jargon or fluff. We now zero in on performance differences and what they feel like on the road. I'll describe throttle response, gear behavior, and chassis feedback so you know which car rewards aggressive inputs. Pay attention to steering weight, braking confidence, and roll control because those shape your experience on corners. I will also mention how tuning and tire choice amplify each car's personality without getting lost in spec sheets or numbers. If this comparison is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: I use those leak-proof containers all the time, and they save time when prepping snacks before drives. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we cover practicality, daily comfort, and ownership costs so you can plan realistically. I'll compare cargo volume, interior ergonomics, and seating comfort for short trips and longer drives. Expect a clear look at fuel use, routine maintenance, and likely insurance trends without vague estimates. This section helps balance emotion with budget, showing which car fits a weekend toy roll versus a more practical daily driver for commuting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.